In this question, it is given that derivative of fx is 4x cube minus 3x power 4. So we need to find out the function fx. So antiderivative of the function 4x cube minus 3x power 4 will be fx. So we need to find out the integration of 4x cube minus 3x power 4. So integration of 4x cube minus 3x power 4. So with respect to dx. Now we know that integration of x power n dx equals to x n plus 1 by n plus 1. So fx is integration of 4x cube minus 3x power x power 4 dx. So by separating it, 4x cube dx minus 3 integration 1 by x power 4 dx, since integration can be calculated only with respect to x here, so constant will be out of the integration. So integration of x cube dx will be x 3 plus 1 4 divided by 3 plus 1 4 minus 3. Here it is x power minus 4, or just I write x power minus 4 dx. So I'll get x power 4 minus 3. Now integration of x power minus 4 will be x minus 4 plus 1, which is x minus 3, divided by minus 4 plus 1, which is minus 3, and plus, since it is indefinite integration, so the integration constant x c will be there. So fx can be written as x power 4 plus 1 by x cube plus c. Now c is the unknown quantity. We also give, it is also given that f2 is 0. So I can find out the value of c, the integration constant, by putting x equal to 0 and fx equals x equals to 2 and fx equals to 0. So since f2 equals to 0, so by putting x equal to 2, I'll get 4 plus 1 by 2 cube plus c. So c will be minus of 2 power 4 16 plus 2 power 3 8. So c will be minus 129 by 8. So the fx is the antiderivative of the function which is unique, since c is unique. So fx is x power 4 plus 1 by x cube minus 129 by 8, which is our answer.